Yes. Yes, guys. This is the problem. Now, see. Yes. Okay, very good. That's the problem. You see. Yes. This 2017 Silverado, yes. This problem. Yes. Blow the chain, see? Broken the chain. Oh shit, man. Yeah, you really see problem. But still starting the car, right? Saya syukur sa? Saya syukur. Karban ada? It's still starting the car, right? See? Yeah, that's why. But there is a broken for the chain, right? Okay, good. So that's right. See? That's good, yes. So see the problem, it's too long, that's why. But it's broken, that one, see, imagine. At least solve the problem, the other one we will start it also. The other one, I already know program, it's okay. Now I will have to program the control module, I can start programming also. We will finish inshallah today, that one also.
Tahoe.
Yeah, Tahoe. I already programmed, I can go.
Open.
That one. No, the Tahoe will open.
This one, huh?
Yeah, we'll open.
Steering, huh?
Yes. We'll open too also. Okay. Yes, that's good. Okay. That's good.